A very good morning, dear children. Welcome back to the class. So let's start with our today's class. So do you remember what we did in our previous class? We started with practice questions and we did some of the additions of money, right? So today we are going to do subtraction of money. So take out your workbook, page number 15. We'll start with question number 6. Write in columns and subtract. So write in columns means you are going to arrange vertically and then we are going to subtract. So I'm going to solve the first one and the B and C you are going to solve it yourself. So let's do. The first question is rupees 15.50 paisa from rupees 18.50. So the word from is there, so we are going to arrange the next number first. So let's do rupees and paisa, then rupees 18.50. Next, minus 15.50. Now let's subtract this. 0 minus 0 is what? 0. 5 minus 5 is what? 0. And the dot should be in the same line, children. Dot should be in the same line. 8 minus 5 is what? 8 minus 5 is 3. Yes. Then 1 minus 1 is what? 0. So 0, 3, what do we say? 0, 3.00. How do we read? It is 3 rupees. How much money it is? Rupees 3. Okay. So let's do the next one. Question number 7. Write in columns and subtract. So the same as we did question number 6, the same method we will apply in question number 7. So I'll do one for you. Question number 7A. Rupees 30.12 from rupees 70.68. So try this first, children, yourself. Again the word from is there. It means this number will come first and the 30 rupees will be arranged below 70 rupees. So let's put rupees and paisa. So first comes 70 rupees dot 68 paisa. Okay. Minus 30 rupees dot 12 paisa. So let's subtract this. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. Very good. Then dot. 0 minus 0 is 0. 7 minus 3 is 4. So here we get rupees 40 and 56 paisa. Clear? Okay. Let's do question number 8 now. Solve the following. So it is also subtraction, children, simple subtraction. Let's do it one. Number 8. Solve the following. Rupees 89.34 minus rupees 57.21. So this is simple. Subtraction is given, minus sign is given. It means we'll arrange this first and this will be arranged below the bigger number. Okay. So let's give rupees and paisa. Then let's arrange 89.34 first minus 57.21. Now let's subtract. 4 minus 1 is what? 3. 3 minus 2 is what? 1. Then dot. 9 minus 7 is what? Yes, 2. 8 minus 5 is what? 3. Very good. So the answer is rupees 32 and 13 paise. Clear? So you can do it this in your copy now. Let's do the next question, that is 9. So 9 is also same as 8, children. Solve the following. Rupees 30 dot 26 minus rupees 29 minus dot 01. So this is the question. Rupees 30 and 26 paise minus 29 and 1 paise, right? So we are going to arrange this first, and the next one will be arranged below rupees 30. So let's do rupees paise. 30 rupees dot 26, then 29 rupees dot 01. Now let's subtract this. 6 minus 1 is what? 6 minus 1 is 5. 2 minus 0 is what? 2. Then, now children, here the twist is 0 minus 9. We cannot do, right? This is a smaller number. So what we are going to do? We are going to borrow 1 from 3. So when we borrow 1 from 3, 0 becomes 10 and 3 becomes 2. If the first number, that is the first number is, children, if the number with which we are going to subtract is smaller, then we borrow from the neighbor. Okay. So here it becomes 10. So 10 minus 9 is what? 10 minus 9 is 1. And 2 minus 2 is what? 0. So what do we get here? Rupees 1 and 25 paisa. Clear? So when the number is smaller, children, then what we do? That we borrow from the neighbor. Clear? And when we borrow 1 from the neighbor, the value of that neighbor, children, it will reduce by 1 number. 3 will become 2. Is it clear? Okay. So let's move to next question number 10, which is also same as 9. So let's do question number 10. Subtract rupees 23 from rupees 40.87. Now children, the word from is there. So we are going to arrange this number first. Rupees and paise. So 40.87 minus 23.00. So let's do the subtraction. 7 minus 0 is 7. 8 minus 0 is 8. Then dot comes here. Now children, 0 is smaller than 3, isn't it? So what we are going to do? We are going to take from 1 from 4. Hey, this 0 becomes 10 and 4 becomes 3. So 10 minus 3 is what? 7. And 3 minus 2 is what? 1. So rupees 17 and 87 paise. Clear? Okay. So rest children, B, C of these questions you can do it as a homework. So children, before concluding the class, these are the 2 questions which you try at home and find the answers. Answer to these questions we'll discuss in our next class. The first question is, Ankush had rupees 25 and Priyankush had rupees 72. How much money do they have in all? So what calculation you will apply here? Analyze the question and apply. Okay. Next, number 2. The total cost of chocolate and chips is rupees 75. The total cost of chocolate and chips is rupees 75. If the cost of chocolate is 25, what is the cost of chips? I would just like to explain you a brief, children. That is, chocolate and chips both cost rupees 75. Out of this, your chocolate cost rupees 25. So what will be the cost of chips? Okay. So you try this, think over it, and we'll discuss answer to these questions in our next class. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.